Alright, I made it into a new Marshall's. $35 for this blue one. I don't think I've seen this blue one. I've seen like that brown and pink a lot of people like. Again, with the coin pouch. 25. Again, says juicy. They all have a detachable strap. And kind of like a hot pinky vibe. Yeah. 25. Have the large one. Everything down here is going to be a guest wallet. And $29.99, so it will get repetitive on these gift sets till we see more, but a lot of guests. Let me go over here. 9 West, $29.99. Michael Kors, we've seen 130. They do have the Brahmin. Every now and then I find Brahmin, which is kind of cool because you know they're like 3 and up. In the department store. That is cute. There's a rodeo, has like the cactus and everything. What's the front? Can I bring it down? There we go. Okay. Can we move that strap? There we go. An Aeropostale bag. Says rodeo. Very interesting because Madden Girl has these bags. You can find like bacon and egg one, the cherry, the mushroom. Very similar. See how they're all similar? Tommy Bahama. I'm sorry, heel figure. And that Tommy Bahama. The Ralph Lauren one for $150. Again with the suede. Steve Madden in the faux suede, $29.99. That's more Michael Kors. Patricia Nash we've seen. Paris Hilton, I saw the symbol right here and I was like, Star Wars bag for girls, so I was looking at that. 20. Then I turn around, it's Paris Hilton. 25. Madden Girl. Okay. Little cute mini one. Jason Wu. There is no price on that. Juicy, blinged out one. Calvin Klein. $29.99. Steve Madden again. 80. I want to say this one's lucky, right? I think this might be a lucky bag. Catherine Maladrino. This one's 20. The soccer ball with the blinged out shoe. It stays on red tag for 12 from $14.99. This one's 15. They have a larger one in a different location. Look at this belt. That's actually kind of cool. It's a cool one. Isn't that cool? Mm-hmm. 15 on the juicy. Okay. We have Stitch in here. The $12.99. The Betsy Johnson, kind of like more like a cowgirl type of vibe. Beanies, of course. Okay, this stuff is amazing. Repair and Restore shampoo. It smells amazing. This is the conditioner, the Oribe. I call it Oribe, but it is $40 compared to online. I mean, it's still a steal. That stuff is pretty pricey. The best one to get is going to be in a little bottle, and it's a UV heat protectant that should last you like a good year and a half. I finished mine like a while ago, but yeah, that lasted me so long. And you know, I share with my teen, so. But it just has such a good like aroma smell to it. It's like amazing. I wish all hairspray smell like that. Okay, we have Jimmy Choo. That's 25. And then Versace in the back. Cute pajama pants. We have the cat one. Some are $12.99. Here's a Snoopy one, all in pink. Santa. Is that the same one? Yeah, and the martini. Santa and the martini. Anything new in sock? Anything new for slippers? That's kind of cool. Go down here. Look at that, it's cute. $5.99. Kitchenware, Snoopy one. Oh my gosh, let me show you this. Okay, after this one. That's cute. $5. Okay. Look right here. Is that glass? It is. You get the tongs too. The little gingerbread jar. Oh, you put anything you want in there and you can fill it up with candy. And again, you get the tongs. Can we flip that over? He's cute, huh? And find out how much he is.
Oh, now I can see him.
Gingerbread. 20. Candy.
Oh, he's got tongs in
yeah.
There. That's funny.
25. The Snoopy is here. We've seen these glass jars already, and you know they have the cupcake ones here too. Oh, you know
I
what?
haven't seen these red ones.
Yeah.
I haven't seen these.
Let me show. Here we go. These are 15. Okay, it looks like they're stocking and Christmas here. Okay, their decor. The bear at the top hat's cute again. Nutcrackers. Are we feeling nutcrackers or are we nutcrackered out? I'm trying not to show them so much, but I believe most stores right now are just filling in with the nutcrackers. The big purchase items, they're gone. There's this guy. He's cute. Kind of like a vintagey deer. 15. Oops, sorry. $17. More snowman. Santa and the tree, the deers. Mary. Now I know we haven't seen this one. It's Pokey. Ooh, this is heavy. This is 25. This is 15 to 20 pounds, I think, not 10. This is really heavy. If you want your dog wearing a Gap sweater, they have it. $12.99 Eddie Bauer. Alright, I made it into Ross. So they have these slippers here. Men's slippers, the Grinch. Only see the Grinch and Minion if they like the Minion. These are $10.99. Alright, on their Christmas nutcrackers, $10, $21.99. Oh look, they have the tree wine holders down here. These are kind of cool. They will be $40, which I feel like is almost very similar to Homegoods.
Yeah.
$40 for this lady. I mean, do what you want with her. More nutcrackers. Oh look, she's in a different outfit in a different store. They were in red and green. They will be $28. And they had the man. I feel like his head's a little tiny though, with that big body. He has like a husky hands and like, here's my little top hat head. Okay, I keep seeing this ever. I feel like it will look cute in a kid room. The train, $50. This one's $17 on the small one. What is that brand I like? Barine? Was it the Barine caroling? They didn't bring that out in Dillard's. TJ Maxx and Marshalls used to carry them.
Remember those?
They don't anymore.
I haven't seen those in forever.
There's this one. Yeah, they kind of remind me like of a marine dupe, you know.
Yeah, skiing Santas.
Yeah.
I haven't seen the goggles.
The goggles? Oh yeah, he's hipster. He's 20. Okay. These are 10. $5.99. Little ornaments, $3.99. The gingerbread one, which I think we might have seen, very full of glitter. These are LED lights on them. A 7. Oh, I thought it was like an ornament. Oh, we got the drummer and the bear. Okay, $12.99 for this set. Oh, I put it back. The blinged out bows are here. $8.99. He's gonna melt. He's just like hanging out in a pot of wax, and then you can watch him. Woo! Okay, plenty of soap pumps. Okay, they're like 7. Some are 10. But 7 to 10. There's plenty to choose from. They have the heel. Kind of have to wait for music to pass here. 7 right here. The bluey, I want to say these were 10. $12.99 actually. Ooh, look at this is pretty. That's actually really pretty. Nope, no price. They will be $6.99. Some pillows down here. Merry Christmas. Look at that. Cutie patootie. Merry Christmas right here. And my daughter keeps telling me she gets sad at work because all these dogs come in for their pup cup. And it's just like, I'm like, I know. Okay, look how cute. Okay, I found this guy. He's not broken. In the other video, I'm like, oh, look. He's broken. He's the chef. 15, 12, and 99. Okay, there's a lot of toys here. So this guy right here, they have a small version of this in Five Below. I was just in there. They have a tiny one. A lot of anime too. So if you're doing Christmas, if you are 20, 17 was this G.I. Joe. You know, my husband's been like G.I. Joe hunting. Evil Dead Ash. We just seen that in a different video. Paw Patrol, yeah. 17. There's like NECA here. So it's kind of weird. Gargoyles, I mean, come on. These are so, they're cheaper here than Target. Turtles, Captain America, anything, I can't find anything. The Wolfman we just seen.
There's more.
Pokemon.
There's like NECA gargoyles.
Yeah, I just passed some on the NECA. Pokemon. Alright guys, this might be a short video because yeah, I'm in like the Tempe Marketplace area. So if you were in Tempe and if you want to go to Tempe Marketplace, I feel like, yeah, it's the only one. I feel like give them like another week because they were still stocking when I was there in Marshall's. That's why I left, and a lot of it was empty. So yeah, I think give them a while. 25. Okay. Freaking cute. I love baby shoes. Why are they so adorable? They're just so cute. Alright, guys. Please stay safe out there. Be careful on the road. Arizona is just getting so crowded. We do have other people here, you know, because they call them snowbirds here in Arizona. And because a lot of people from like Washington come over because it's nicer weather, but it is crowded. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.